Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to adjust the tiles on door area. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have two rooms over here and a doorway. Alright, so this part, I would like to put in tiles. So I will drag in the tiles first. So how do we adjust, alright, so that the line would be parallel? So we can always click on the tiles, and then over here on the product information we can adjust the Y offset. Alright, so we can either adjust manually or we can just type in the number. Okay, also we can also always adjust the X offset. And there you have it. So this is how to adjust tiles on door area. Good luck trying, guys.